Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo with friends online. Connecting with friends for some multiplayer fun on your Nintendo Switch is easier than you might think. We'll go over everything you need to know, from essential subscriptions to finding and joining your friends in your favorite games. Get ready to enhance your gaming experience and share countless memorable moments together, no matter where you are. To kick things off, you'll need a Nintendo Switch Online membership, which is essential for most online multiplayer titles. Make sure your console is connected to a reliable internet source and that your Nintendo account is properly linked. Adding friends is straightforward. You can use their unique friend codes or search for local users. This foundational setup ensures you're ready to dive into the exciting world of online gaming with your pals. Once your friends are added, you'll be able to see when they're online and what games they're playing. Many games offer a direct in-game option to invite friends to your session or to join theirs. Simply navigate to the multiplayer menu within your chosen game and look for the Invite or Join Friend option. For enhanced communication, consider using the Nintendo Switch Online smartphone application, which provides voice chat capabilities during gameplay. To ensure a fantastic online gaming experience, always double-check your internet connection before starting a session to minimize any potential lag. Clear communication with your friends, especially in cooperative or competitive games, can make a huge difference. Don't forget to explore the vast library of games that support online multiplayer, offering endless opportunities for fun. Most importantly, remember to be a good sport and enjoy the shared adventure with your friends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.